Hey, what's up guys, I'm Waqzite from Waqzite, and in today's video we will be creating this kind of silhouette photo effect using Photoshop. If you don't want to follow this complete tutorial, you can download the project file or template from the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. Now let's jump to the video and get started. Okay, so first of all we need to select the subject. So pick the quick selection tool and click on select subject. Photoshop will automatically make selection around the subject. Now let's zoom in a little bit and we need to refine the edges. Hold shift key to add area to the selection and hold alt key to subtract. When the selection is complete, click on this icon. It will add a layer mask to the layer. Also rename it model. Convert the layer into a smart object so we can edit it later. Right click on the layer and choose blending option. In the layer style menu, click on color overlay. Add black color to it and then hit OK. Now press Ctrl T to open transform tool and scale it a little bit, just like this. Now drag and drop this sky image into the Photoshop. By the way, you can download all of these images from the link in the video's description. It is absolutely for free. Let's scale it a little bit and move it up. Confirm it and drag this layer beneath the model layer. Now for the ground, let's select this lasso tool and make a random selection just like this. Create a new layer. Make sure your foreground color is black. Pick the paint bucket tool and click on it. It will fill the selected area with foreground color. Press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. I think the model is too large, so select it, press Ctrl T and scale it down. Now drag and drop this tree image into the Photoshop. Scale it down and move it right here. Confirm it when you are happy. Let's drag and drop another tree into the Photoshop, scale it down and move it right here. And now it is done. You can also change the photo. Double click on this smart object, it will open a new document. And here you can replace your photo. Now of course we need to remove the background. So select the quick selection tool and click on select subject. Photoshop will automatically make selection around the subject. Zoom in a little bit and again you need to refine the edges. When it is done, add a layer mask to the layer. Also delete this layer because we don't need it. Close the document and save it. Now press Ctrl T to open transform tool, scale it and move it right here. Now you can also replace the sky. Just select this layer and replace another image. Scale it and move it up a little bit. Confirm it when you are happy. And now it is done. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Also ring the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. I will be catch you in my next video. Till then, peace.